the entrance tiles. Sokong! This for Island Day. Welcome to the vlog. It's been quite a while since I filmed. I took about a 2-week break from filming after coming back from KL because I was just so exhausted from KL. But it's the weekend again. It's Friday, and as usual I'm going to go for yoga, and then I am going to be checking on the house in the afternoon, and then it will just be another day of packing. I've not really packed anything else since the last vlog, so it is 1 week till my move, so I really need to get cracking. So the plan for the move is that on the 25th I am going to move in first because of some like auspicious timing thing. So my parents want me to move in first, and then on the 30th of April they will move in. But I would have been in Greece by then because I am leaving for Greece on the 29th at 1 AM. So I will not be around when everything else moves, so it is a bit stressful for me. I literally have I'm breaking out like crazy all over my skin, and I'm just hoping that after the move and after we settle in, my skin will clear up. So it is what it is. And time for yoga. The entrance tiles, living room. This is kitchen cabinet. This is a master bedroom. And then master bath. This is the study. I just got home not too long ago. I am a sweaty mess because it's so freaking hot today, and I've just received my bridesmaid dress from Taobao, and I'm going to unbox it. Wow, the box is so damaged. Okay, this is actually blue. I bought one dress on Carousel thinking it was blue, but when it came it was grey. So anyway, this is the dress. I don't know if I need to alter it, but it doesn't seem like I need to. I'm going to take a quick shower and I'm going to try this dress on because I don't want to try it on when I'm absolutely sticky and sweaty. So this is the dress. I am thinking if I should actually do a slight alteration on the back to make it a little bit snatched so that I don't feel like this is gonna fall off, because I actually feel like this might fall anytime. So I don't know, what do you think? I guess by the time this goes up, the wedding would have been over, and I'm thinking if I do need to alter because it is slightly long. It's just very slightly long, but it would have been fine if I wore heels. So I don't know. Consensus from the mother is that I will need to dart the back, but I don't need to alter the length, so that is great news because that would be much easier for me. So I think tonight I am going to do some alterations on my clothes so that I can pack away my sewing machine. And then I can also pack for Greece this weekend or maybe tonight if I have time. And then once that's done, I can sokong for everything in my room, I think. Don't mind the room, it's messy as heck, but I've just altered the bag. So basically, I added a dart to the bag. I can now wash this, and I am going to actually pack my luggage for my Greece trip, which is going to be in 1.5 weeks time. So I think that's all I have to do. I'm basically go right now in the next 2 weeks, so don't mind me if I'm like frantic, but this is the energy that I'm bringing right now. So I actually packed a few things last night off camera because my battery was dead, but basically I packed up most of my stationeries that are in the room and also my sewing machine. So I have about an hour until I have to leave for badminton. And I think during this time, what I'm gonna do is actually to put up some of my items up on Olio to give away for free, because I really have a lot of stuff and I only have a week left in this house, so I really need to get rid of them as soon as possible. Whoa. Okay, so it's been quite a chaotic day. I went out for badminton this morning, and the moment I reached home, me and my mom, we are just like go. We've been clearing our shoe cabinet for at least the past, I don't know, 3 hours, 2 hours. Yeah, for at least the past 2 hours, because we actually have a recycling collection tomorrow morning, so we want to get that out of the way. I've also put up a whole bunch of stuff online. I also started clearing my bathroom. And then now I'm going to take a very quick shower, and then I will start trying out outfits for Greece. But first, before I start packing for Greece, I'm going to have dinner. And today's dinner is this baby-go mandu pork and vegetable dumplings. So I have, I think, 4 left. So I think I'm going to cook them gyoza style. That's the thing. Gyoza style is a little bit messy. I think I'm gonna make a soup with it, with some of my ramen broth base. So I decided to add some noodles, and then I have water boiling for the mandu, and then my dinner is done in 5 minutes. So here's the mandu with black vinegar all over, and then I got my noodles with some soup. It looks really beige, everything looks beige, but I don't really have anything else in the fridge because we are clearing the fridge basically. So first off, I already have things in here. This I'm bringing, this is a cashmere sweater. This vest I don't think I'm gonna bring, so this is a long sleeve shirt just in case. I'm probably gonna wear this on the flight. Now let's try on some outfits. I was looking through the Notion link that my friend sent, who is the bride. She sent a spring packing guide, which is like freaking like incredible. So I am going to read through everything that she is saying. So she's saying to not bring a coat, to bring a light blazer or a jacket. So I think I'm gonna do that. I'm going to bring my trusty leather jacket. So she's saying to bring a light scarf, but I have just packed all my scarves away into boxes, so I need to access that again. Uniqlo Airism line, I don't have any of that, so I don't think I will be packing that. Okay, so we have like 2 confirmed dinners with my friend and her family and her friends, so definitely something a bit more dressy for dinner. Of course, my bridesmaid's dress. I think on one day we might take a ferry out to an island, so definitely I think I'm going to bring a light scarf for that. Wow, there is a lot to pack actually. I think I'm also going to be bringing this. Yeah, I think I can bring this. I have another bolero, which is this. I think the bolero is gonna be useful for the evenings, so... Okay, so this is going to be my flight outfit. I think it's pretty comfortable. Okay, this is another outfit. Another pants and top. This top is really tiny, but that's why I have loads of jackets to choose from. Let me see how it looks like with this jacket. Oh, actually, this looks quite perfect. If I am feeling extra cold, I think I'm going to pull this over. It's kind of nice. This for Island Day. Let me see how this one looks like with this on. Nope, not like this. This is another dress option which I freaking love, but I think I am not going to bring this because this is actually way too long for me. I'm just wondering if it's time for this dress to shine. I think I'm going to bring this dress. This is other option for dresses. So I think I'm going to be overpacking a little bit. Okay, another very chill outfit. I think this outfit is a yes. So I'm definitely overpacking, but I have kind of like sorted out everything that I'm gonna bring. Morning guys, so I forgot to end the vlog last night, so I'm going to end the vlog here. I'm now gonna get ready to go to work, so thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.